Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Haribhav Vagire, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. Our college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University of Pune. Our syllabus is a choice-based credit system. For FI BSc and SY BSc, there are 2 credits in each paper. For SY BSc, our paper is paper second, that is 232 plant physiology. In that plant physiology, last time we have discussed about the absorption of water topic. The main aim of this video is for educational purpose, and this time have come on us due to pandemic of this COVID-19, and to face this problem and to avoid the disturbances in education, we have started this online education system, and this is a video is one of the part of this system to defense this system. And last time we have discussed some points about the chapter first and chapter second also. In last chapter, that is absorption of water, we have studied different articles, that is introductory part about absorption of water. Water is a very important factor which is required for the growth and development of the plants. We know that if there is no water, there is no crop. We are very in problem when there is a deficiency of water takes place, and the loss of that crop productivity is due to only water. And therefore absorption of water, this topic plays very vital role to understand the mechanism of water absorption in plant. It may be in crop plant or it may be in wild plant. The plant is the same. The plant don't know we are a wild or we are a cultivated, but the mechanism is the same of water absorption of water. And in today's video, we are going to learn about the difference between active water absorption and passive water absorption. What is active water absorption and what is passive water absorption, we have learned about before this. Then the difference between these two articles we have taken in with the help of these points. First is the active water absorption, second is the passive water absorption. Then what about active water absorption, or which is the important point in that? Active water absorption takes place due to activity of root and root hairs. We know that there are different organs of the plant. Some plant organs are underground, some plant organs they are aerial. And in active absorption of water, the underground part or underground organ of the plant, that is a root. And active absorption takes place with the help of root and root hairs. It is an underground part. Root and root hairs are underground part. Whereas in passive water absorption, what happens in passive water absorption? It occurs due to activity of upper part of the plant and shoot and leaves, or that is also known as aerial part. We know that leaf is an aerial part of the plant, shoot is an aerial part of the plant, and passive passive water absorption takes place with the help of this aerial part of the plant. Then what about second point? Absorption of water occur due to osmotic and non-osmotic process. Osmotic and non-osmotic process मुळे active water absorption होता, whereas water absorbed due to transpiration in aerial parts. Passive absorption मध्ये aerial parts च्या transpiration मुळे होत आहे. What is transpiration? Loss of water through aerial parts of the plants. Which are the aerial parts? Stem, leaf, flower. That are the aerial parts. And aerial parts through transpiration takes place. What is transpiration? Loss of water takes place. How a lot of water takes place? Loss of water takes place through the lenticels, through cuticle, and through stomata also. Therefore, in passive water absorption, water absorbed due to transpiration in aerial parts. Then, third point is that root hairs have high DPD as compared to soil solution. Therefore, water is taken inside. High DPD मुळे water inside the roots. And what is passive water absorption? Absorption occurs due to tension. Tanav. Tension created in xylem cells. Xylem is very important cell. आता xylem cells मध्ये tension create होता है. Xylem sap by transpiration. हे टेन्शन क्रिएट होण्यामागचं कारण काय आहे? लॉस ऑफ वॉटर टेक्स प्लेस, अँड ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ वॉटर द टेन्शन क्रिएटेड इन झायलम सॅप अँड ट्रान्सपिरेशन पूलमुळे झायलमवरती टेन्शन क्रिएट होतं अँड द वॉटर इज ऑटोमॅटिकली absorbed or suck by that tension. या त्या टेन्शनमुळे मग वॉटर sucked by the roots. Then which is the next point about active water absorption? In water movement, there is a movement of water takes place. We know that. In water movement, living part, which is living part of the plant, that is symplast, is involved. That transport मध्ये movement of water takes place in living cell, that is called symplast. Whereas in passive water absorption, the movement of water is through free spaces. We know that there are some spaces occurred in between the cells. That is called free spaces, or that is known as apoplast. That is also known as a apoplast of root, and it may include cell wall, apoplast cell of the root, and in some time it may occur in cell wall and intercellular spaces, the space between two cells, that is called the intercellular spaces. And in passive absorption of water, that is through the free spaces, that is also known as apoplast. Which is the next point? In active water absorption, the rate of absorption depends on DPD, means the rate of absorption in active, that depends on DPD. What about in passive water absorption? Rate of absorption depends on transpiration. How transpiration takes place? If the stomata is open, transpiration is more. At that time, the passive water absorption takes place. Then the last point in non-osmotic type of absorption means active water absorption. That is non-osmotic and osmotic absorption of water takes place. In non-osmotic type of absorption, respiratory energy is utilized. Here is a utilization of respiratory energy. Means there are energies required. That energy is in the form of ATP. But in passive water absorption, absorption, what happened? Energy is never required. There is no requirement of the energy in passive water absorption. In this way, today we have learned about the difference between active water absorption and passive water absorption. Means we have shortly discussed some points about this. In water active water absorption, this is due to activity of root and root hairs. There is a passive water absorption takes place due to upper part, that is shoot, leaf, inflorescence, flower, whatever way. Then absorption water occur through osmotic and non-osmotic process. They water absorbed into transpiration in aerial parts, means root, stem, that are the aerial parts. The root hairs have high DPD. The absorption occur due to tensions created in xylem cells. Then in water movement, living part is symplast. There is a apoplast. In passive water absorption, there is a apoplast. Here is a symplast, there is a apoplast. Passive मध्ये apoplast, active मध्ये symplast. हे लक्षात ठेवायचे. Then the rate of absorption depends on DPD. Here rate of absorption depends on transpiration. Means transpiration rate the sign. If there is an open stomata, transpiration will be fast. Loss of water will be takes place very fast. Then in active water absorption, there is a not requirement or not utilization of the energy, whereas energy is never required in passive water absorption. But in active water absorption, there is utilization of energy. Means in non-osmotic type of absorption, respiratory energy is utilized. There is a requirement of energy in active water absorption. Okay? Thank you.